Good morning students, myself Aruna Singh from Zoology department and today I will teach you Zoology subject and our topic is lac insect cycle यानी कि हम लोग लाख के कीट का जीवन चक्र के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो let's start our classification. Phylum is Arthropoda because this is insect, so belongs to Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hemiptera, genus Laca, species Tachardia. So first we discuss the history of lac insect. The history of the lac insect is lac insects are worldwide and they give 300 eggs. They are commonly known as larks, means thousands, 100 cross, 100,000 cross, means the numbers of the lac increased, so they are too much in number. So the specialization specific characters are the leg gland are present on the whole body except genital cord, mouth part and anus. When we check out, when we analyze the chemical compositions of the leg, so we get found 68% leg and color 10%, sugar 4% and glue 5.5% and wax is 6% in the chemical composition of the leg. Then the life cycle. As we seen, there are many stages are present in the cycle of the lac insect. First is male, female insect and nymph and egg. So the male insect we can identify from by its symptoms, which is seen on the board. In the male insect, 1 pair wings and 3 pairs of legs are present. Males are 2 types, wings or wings legs. 2 types के मेल्स होते हैं, विंग वाले और विदाउट विंग, and they are in pinkish color. Okay, and the female legs, wings are absent. Okay, and the nymph is a narrow structure and the spinal structure is found on the posterior part. जो इंसेक्ट होता है वो जैसा कि हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं, डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि 300 एग्स देते हैं, जिनसे 7 to 10 डेज में आपके निम्फ बन जाते हैं। ये एग्स 0.4 से 0.2 mm तक के होते हैं और पिंकिश कलर होते हैं, यानी पिंक कलर के होते हैं। So now we discuss the importance of the lac insect. The beneficial is the lac insect provide us many good things like as lac and lac bangles. Next, lac cultivation is a financial support to aborigines, means Adivasi. And next, lac is also used as an insulator in electrical appliances. This is the importance of the lac insect or lac. Now, cultivation model or method. There are 2 methods for the cultivation of the lac insect. First is normal or primitive. The primitive method is non-curing and it is used by the aborigine और आदिवासी इसको यूज करते हैं। इसके लिए इसमें कोई तरह की कोई भी केयर नहीं की जाती है, जिस वजह से क्या होता है कि बहुत सारी फसल हमको क्रॉप अच्छी नहीं मिलती है. We can get least amount of the land. Next, second method is a scientific method, modern method. This is a scientific method and we get divided into three parts of the land cultivation, and after this we get more and more land of our crop. This is a cultivation method of the lac insect. And now precautions, because we know enemies are also found in this insect. Precautions: many harmful agents are responsible for the harm of the lac insect. First is rodent, squirrel, monkeys, mouse, okay, and pest. So we can provide many effective precautions for the lac insect cultivation for a good crop. First is selection of a host healthy plant. Okay, and second one, choose the healthy insect. And third one is separation of the lac from the insect. And last, the washing of the lac and making a goods. So today we studied a cycle of lac insect, their classification, history of lac insect, where did it originated, and third one is chemical composition, importance of the lacs, identification between male and female, how can we recognize this is a male or this is a female, cultivation method, how we get good crops of the lac, scientific or practical method, precautions, how we save from the damage the cultivation of lac insect. So today we discussed many topics of the lac insect cycle. So I think this is a good topic for you. Thank you.